These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn, North Olmsted, Ohio. I've got some Schindler 330As installed 2016. Here we are at 4. Let's go to 1. Pretty nice, I must say. It's your indicator, capacity is 2,500 pounds. These are your Schindler HT fixtures. They're HT premium. Go to 4. This thing is a rear door. Here we are at 4. Go back down to 1. Got another cab view. This is mostly identical to the other elevator, except the other side is a tin can. 3,500 pound capacity. HT standard fixtures. Well, I mean, technically HT premium. Here are 1 again. And that'll be it.